Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Seen in today's tutorial, we will learn how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet first. Go to Google Meet, and as you can see, it's selected to integrated. Click on it, and when you try to switch it to OBS Virtual Camera, it will show an error. Now go to OBS Studio. From here, go to Sources and click on the plus icon. Go to Video Capture Device and click on OK. And you can change the resolutions, but I will just leave it at default. Click on OK. And you'll see the camera has started. Fit it to your desired size and click on Start Virtual Camera. Now go to Google Meet, and as you can see, the OBS Virtual Camera is selected and it's working, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.